The job of a school coordinator is very important. He helps the students to organize and carry out the necessary steps for their training. Responsibilities of Madrasa coordinator may include 1. Organization of educational plans. Coordinators organize educational plans, directing educational objectives and learning outcomes. They formulate syllabi, schedule lessons, organize examinations, and monitor academic achievement. 2. Supervision of students. Coordinators supervise students. They take care of their training, spiritual, and academic development. Solve their problems, give advice, and monitor their progress. 3. Cooperation with parents. Coordinators cooperate with parents. They inform the parents about the Madrasa policies and educational norms. He understood the opinion of the parents. Hatira organizes and criticizes and advises them. 4. Formation of committees. Coordinators form various committees whose members help in the development and organization of the seminary. These committees can be, for example, Education Committee, Security Committee, or Management Committee, etc. 5. Organization and management of the Madrasa. Coordinators organize and manage the Madrasa. They look after the provision of educational materials, books, prospects, and other essential items. They take responsibility for the repair and organization of damaged or dilapidated Madrasa buildings. 6. Organization of educational programs. Coordinators organize educational programs that help in the development of the seminary and the training of students. They organize events, seminars, placement of consultants, and other educational activities. 7. Management of records. Coordinators manage the records of students. They keep track of their attendance, grades. 8. Counseling services. Coordinators provide academic counseling services to students and parents. They guide the students. Academically, answer their questions and guide them about the future path. They advise parents about educational programs, exams, and training issues. 9. Social interaction with Madrasa. Coordinators promote social interaction between the Madrasa and the community. He cooperates with the people of the neighborhood, various social institutions, and the elders to help the development of the Madrasa and the welfare of the students. 10. Seminary candidates. Coordinators maintain seminary candidates and find development opportunities for them. They provide information on advertisements, scholarships, and other educational opportunities for them to develop their academic spirituality. 11. Educational investigations. Coordinators organize educational investigations. They research academic topics, new ones. 12. Educational training. Coordinators organize educational training programs. They organize training workshops, seminars, teacher training sessions to train the teachers in the completed subjects. 13. Preparation of training materials. Coordinators prepare training materials. They organize textbooks, job workshops, guidelines, teaching aids, and other training materials to provide quality educational materials to teachers and students. 14. Formation of academic calendar. Coordinators formulate the academic calendar. They create academic hours, organize holidays, and keep track of important calendar lectures. 15. Selection of learning materials. Coordinators select learning materials. They select the necessary educational equipment of the seminary, such as books, laboratory equipment, computers, video educational resources, and other educational materials.